Hey everyone, this is Matt from Telefuel. I wanted to give you a quick update on what we've been working on over the last couple weeks. As you're aware, there have been some performance issues and bugs with the Telefuel clients, and that has been a cause of concern for us, the Telefuel team internally. So as of a couple weeks ago, we made a decision to rewrite the app using technologies that enable us to have superior performance over our previous web-based stack. And now, we have this to demonstrate to you. This is not quite ready for public release, but it's just to give you an idea of what it is that we're working on. Underneath the hood, this is using Flutter, which is a framework written in Dart that allows us to build cross-platform applications. As you can see, it looks quite similar to the current version of Telefuel. As you know, we have a sidebar for workspaces, chat type filters, a filter for unread messages. And it looks pretty similar to what we have, albeit with some differences in the theming and yeah, the color palette. But this version of Telefuel is far superior in terms of performance, in terms of CPU usage, in terms of memory usage, because we decided to do this rebuild. And as a consequence of using Flutter, we're now able to support mobile. Let me see if I can get this. There we go. And so this is using the exact same code base, but is now available for mobile platforms. So this is iOS Simulator, and it's the exact same app, but adapted for mobile screen sizes. So that's about it. I hope you can get excited about this new version of Telefuel as much as we're excited about releasing it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.